A poor Indian farmer worked every morning in his dry fields. Life was hard, but he never gave up hope. One evening, he saw a giant parrot sitting between the crops, injured and unable to fly. The villagers would have chased it away, but the farmer didn't. Without thinking twice, he tore his gamcha and gently wrapped it around the parrot's wounded wing, then quietly walked home. That night, a violent storm arrived. Heavy rain flooded the fields, and everything seemed lost. Just then, the same giant parrot descended from the sky. With a powerful cry, the wind changed direction and the rain slowly stopped. When the sun rose the next morning, a miracle had happened. Only the farmer's fields were green and alive. The giant parrot sat on a tree and said, "Kindness is never wasted." Then it disappeared into the sky.